Welcome to our Transform and Triumph training session. This session initiative is more than business training. It's a mission to empower, equip, and elevate visionaries like you. Whether you're launching a new business, rebuilding your strategy, or growing your influence, you are in the right place. Let's walk through what we call the transformative journey, the path that turns your vision into reality. Starting a business begins with the right mindset, believing in your potential, staying resilient, and leading with clarity. From there, develop a strong elevator pitch to communicate your value and register your business to make it official. Build a professional, user-friendly website as your digital storefront, and create a clear business plan to guide your growth. Understanding your finances is key to profitability, while delivering excellent customer experiences builds loyalty. Finally, commit fully to taking action and leading with purpose. This is your time to build and grow. Each of these steps is part of a powerful transformation, and I promise you, when you walk through them with intention, the impact you'll make will go far beyond just business. It becomes a legacy. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of establishing your business, creating your website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to strengthen your online presence, this session will guide you through a complete roadmap to building a professional and effective website. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll explore the reasons why having a website is essential for any business. Next, we'll break down the specific benefits a website brings. Then, we'll walk through a comprehensive 10-step process to create your website from start to finish. After that, we'll open the floor for an interactive session. And finally, I'll introduce you to some powerful AI tools and resources that can make your website journey easier and more efficient. Let's talk about why having a website is absolutely essential for your business. In today's digital world, your website is more than just an online brochure. It's your always-on business partner. First, a website gives you expanded reach. Instead of being limited by geography or business hours, your website allows you to connect with customers globally, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whether someone is in your city or across the world, your business is always accessible. Next, your website supports business growth. It works for you even while you sleep, helping you generate leads, inquiries, and even sales automatically. With the right setup, your website becomes a powerful engine that continues to move your business forward. And finally, a website boosts your credibility. In many cases, your website is the first impression a potential client will ever have of your business. A clean, professional, and informative website instantly builds trust and positions you as a credible expert in your field. So whether you're just getting started or looking to scale, a website is one of the most important investments you can make. It expands your reach, fuels your growth, and strengthens your reputation. Now let's look at some of the key benefits of having a website and why it's such a powerful asset for your business. Your website becomes the central home for all your business information. Instead of customers searching through social media pages or relying on outdated posts, your website gives them one consistent, reliable source for everything they need: your services, your story, your contact details, and more. Next, a website gives you the perfect platform for content marketing. You can share your expertise through blogs, videos, articles, or resources that not only provide value, but also help attract new customers. When people see your knowledge, they begin to trust your brand. Your website also works hand in hand with your social media. Instead of relying only on posts that disappear in a few hours, your website gives your audience a place to land, learn, and take action. Social media drives the traffic. Your website turns that traffic into results. And one of the biggest benefits is lead generation. Your website can capture visitor information through forms, downloads, or signups, allowing you to follow up with potential clients even after they leave your page. This is how a website continues working for you long after someone clicks away. Together, these benefits help you build trust, showcase your expertise, and turn online traffic into real business growth. Now let's walk through the overall process of creating a website. Whether you're building it yourself or working with a professional, these 4 stages will guide you from idea to launch. We start with planning and preparation. This is where you define your goals, identify who your audience is, and determine what content your website needs. Think of it as the foundation. The clearer your plan, the smoother the rest of the process will be. Next is the technical setup. This includes registering your domain name, choosing your hosting provider, and selecting the right platform for your website. These technical choices shape how your site will run, so it's important to set it up the right way from the start. Once the foundation is in place, we move into design and development. This is where your website begins to come to life. You'll create your pages, add your content, choose your visuals, and test the site to make sure everything works properly. This stage is all about turning your ideas into a real interactive experience. And finally, launch and growth. Once your website is live, the real work begins. You'll promote it, monitor performance, update content, and continue improving over time. A website isn't a one-time project, it grows as your business grows. By following these 4 steps, you can build a website that not only looks great, but also supports your business goals and creates a lasting online presence. Building your business website is a process, and we've broken it down into 10 simple steps. From planning to publishing and everything in between, these steps are designed to take the guesswork out of the process. With the right approach, you'll have a site that truly represents your brand and supports your goals. Let's walk through the first 5 foundational steps in creating your website. Defining your goals and audience, choosing a memorable domain, selecting a reliable hosting provider, gathering key assets like logos and content, and picking a website platform. Each of these steps sets the stage for a strong and successful online presence. Think of them as the preparation phase. They shape everything that follows. Begin with step 1, planning your website. Think of this phase as laying the foundation before building a house. The better your plan, the stronger and more effective your website will be. Ask yourself, why am I creating this site? Is it to sell products, offer services, educate, build a portfolio? This clarity of purpose will guide every decision you make moving forward. Once your goals are clear, shift your focus to your audience. Who are they? Their needs, pain points, and preferences? Understanding your audience ensures your content, design, and functionality are aligned to meet their expectations and drive conversions. Finally, make sure everything about your website consistently reflects your brand. Brand alignment ensures that when someone visits your site, they instantly recognize your business and feel a sense of trust and familiarity. Now that you've planned your website, it's time for step 2, choose a domain name, your online address. It should be easy to find, remember, and match your brand. Here are 4 key steps to choosing and securing the perfect domain. Start by selecting a domain name that represents your business. Once you've chosen a name, you'll need to check if it's available. Consider grabbing related domains or common misspellings to protect your brand. After confirming your domain is available, register it through a trusted registrar. This is the company that will manage your domain for you. This final step is one many overlook, setting up auto-renewal. Your domain registration typically lasts for 1 year, with the option to renew annually or for multiple years. Choosing the perfect domain isn't just about a clever name, it's about brand recognition, professionalism, and ownership. Follow these 4 steps, and you'll set your website up with a strong and secure foundation for the digital world. Here are trusted registrars that you can use. These platforms will quickly tell you if your desired domain is already taken and offer alternatives if it is. Each of these registrars brings its own strengths to the table, so choose the one that fits your needs and comfort level. Look at pricing, support, security, and how easily it integrates with your website tools. A great domain registrar makes managing your online presence smooth and stress-free. The third step is selecting a web hosting provider. Your web host is like the foundation of your home on the internet. It's where all your files live, and it directly affects how fast, secure, and reliable your website is. When choosing a reliable web host, focus on 4 key areas. First, security features. Look for SSL certificates and strong malware protection. Next, check server uptime. A good host should guarantee at least 99.9% uptime. You'll also want plenty of storage and bandwidth so your site can grow without limits. And finally, make sure they offer strong customer support, ideally available 24/7. Choosing the right host ensures your website stays secure, fast, and always accessible. Step 4. Gathering your assets. When preparing to build your website, start by gathering all your key assets. This includes your written content, the copy that communicates your message clearly. Next, ensure your social media profiles are consistent and ready to link. You'll also need media assets, like high-quality photos and graphics that reflect your brand. And finally, have your contact information organized and accessible for customers. Having these pieces ready makes the website building process faster and more effective. The next major decision is step 5, choosing a website builder, the platform you'll use to actually construct your website. Your builder impacts not only how your site looks and functions, but also how easily you can manage and scale it over time. First, look at the functionality offered by the platform. Whether you're selling products, booking appointments, or simply sharing information, your website builder should support the tools that help you deliver results. Choose a platform that allows you to grow. This ensures that your website continues to serve your business, not limit it. You want a user-friendly interface, something with a simple drag-and-drop design, intuitive navigation, and a low learning curve. Finally, consider the level of support available. When you hit a technical glitch or need help making updates, you want to know that expert help is just a click or call away. When it comes to building your website, you don't need to be a tech expert. There are several user-friendly platforms designed to help you build a beautiful site with minimal effort. Here are 5 great options: Wix, GoDaddy Website Builder, WordPress.com, Canva, and Gamma. Each of these makes website creation accessible, even if you've never built a site before. After setting up the foundation, these final 5 steps bring your website to life and ensure it performs well. Design and customize, create content, test and optimize, publish website, and finally, maintain and improve. These steps guarantee your website not only looks stunning, but also operates seamlessly and evolves alongside your business. Step 6. Designing your website. Design is where your website takes shape. Start by creating an appealing layout that reflects your brand and keeps things visually balanced. Next, ensure your design is responsive, meaning it works seamlessly on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Finally, prioritize intuitive navigation. Make it easy for visitors to find what they need without confusion or extra clicks. A clean, user-friendly design builds trust and keeps people engaged. Next step is creating engaging content. Content is the heart of your website. It's what draws people in, keeps them engaged, and inspires them to take action. But not just any content, engaging, audience-focused, value-driven content. To create this kind of content, begin by clearly understanding your audience. Tailor your tone, message, and language to speak directly to the people you're trying to reach. That's how you turn readers into loyal customers. Use a storytelling approach to weave your brand message into relatable experiences. People don't just remember facts, they remember stories. Whether it's a client success story, your business journey, or a case study, crafting compelling narratives builds connection, authenticity, and trust. Incorporate images, videos, infographics, and icons to break up long text and illustrate your points. Be sure to optimize your media for speed and mobile responsiveness. Finally, your website content should never be a set-it-and-forget-it task. Regularly review and update your content to stay relevant, accurate, and competitive. Fresh content signals to search engines that your site is active, improving your SEO and keeping your audience coming back. Before your website goes live, it's absolutely critical to test and optimize it. This brings us to Step 8, Test and Optimization. This step ensures that your site not only looks great, but works smoothly across all devices and for all users. It also helps catch bugs, broken links, and design flaws that could harm the user experience. Start with desktop testing to make sure your site performs well on larger screens. Next, conduct mobile testing. Over 50% of website traffic comes from mobile devices, so responsive design is a must. Then, move on to user testing. This means asking real people, your team, clients, or target users, to interact with your site and give feedback. Finally, take what you've learned and optimize. Refine your design, fix bugs, adjust layouts, and fine-tune content based on what you discovered through testing. After all the hard work, planning, designing, testing, and refining, it's time for Step 9. Publishing your website is a major milestone, and doing it right ensures your site launches smoothly and successfully. Let's walk through the 3 key steps in this phase. Before hitting publish, perform a final, comprehensive review of your site. These last-minute checks prevent issues that could damage credibility or user experience on launch day. Once everything's in order, it's time to publish your site. Now that your site is live, don't keep it a secret. Announce your launch across all channels by sharing on social media, sending an email blast, adding it to your business cards or email signature, and informing your current customers and partners. Generating buzz ensures your site gets traffic right away and sets the tone for ongoing engagement. Finally, Step 10, Ongoing Maintenance. To keep your website healthy, secure, and effective, you need a plan for ongoing maintenance. This includes regular updates to keep your site secure, add new features, and fix any issues. You'll also want to schedule content refreshes, updating old information and adding new relevant content. And finally, focus on performance optimization by monitoring site speed, improving user experience, and boosting SEO visibility. Consistent maintenance keeps your website performing at its best. To bring everything together, use the website planner provided to you as your personal blueprint. It will help you establish a clear vision and structure, so your layout and functionality stay organized, improve content organization, making sure every section supports your brand message. Also guide your SEO strategy, helping you plan for better visibility from the start. And finally, ensure consistent branding, so your design reflects your unique identity across your entire site. Artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing various fields, offering solutions from website creation to design and content generation. These tools enhance productivity, streamline processes, and foster innovation. Understanding their capabilities and applications is crucial for leveraging their full potential in your projects. To make your website creation process easier and more efficient, take advantage of today's powerful AI tools. From generating content to designing graphics and building pages, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Gamma can save you time and boost your creativity. Use them to brainstorm ideas, write copy, design visuals, and present your brand professionally without needing to start from scratch.
Thank you for joining the session on creating your website. We hope you now feel more confident, equipped, and inspired to build a professional online presence that reflects your brand and drives your business forward. If you're feeling overwhelmed or just want expert support, we're here to help. Whether you need full website creation or just guidance through a few steps, we've got you covered. Scan the QR code now to book your complimentary strategy session with our LRB Impact team to get you started, and let's transform your vision into reality and empower your business to thrive online. We believe in equipping entrepreneurs with tools, not just talk. This is your invitation to not just dream, but to actually do. You can visit our website at loomisreddickbishop.com to stay up to date with all training schedules and opportunities to plug in.
Thank you for completing the Building Your Website training with us. You're making great strides, and we can't wait to see you grow even more. Keep an eye out for our upcoming sessions and see you again soon at our next training.